Hey guys, Todd James here, and just want to do a quick video actually for a couple of reasons. I'm outside. I don't know if you can tell. I'll move aside here in a second so you can see, but here we are, March 12th, 2018 in North Carolina, and it is snowing like crazy. Now, snow in March in North Carolina is not unheard of. It's happened before and it will happen again. But what's really amazing is that last Tuesday it was 83 degrees here, and now, a week later it's snowing. But anyway, that's not really crazy considering I'm out here filming it and freezing my butt off. But I want to do just a really quick video here. I want to make one point. I've been getting a lot of messages, a lot of comments and questions, and the theme running through those comments and questions is like, what's the best way to make money fast online? And it always concerns me when people are talking about doing something fast. First of all, what's fast for me and what's fast for you may be two different things. I don't have any problem whatsoever investing time and energy into a Shopify store that may take 6 months or even a year to really start performing at its peak. Now, for the most part, my stores perform better and they do so faster. But I'm just saying, when you look at what your options and alternatives are, if you were to go out and start a brick and mortar store, you could be looking at a significant amount of time, far more than a year before things really start to move along at a rapid pace. So I think when you start talking about doing a Shopify store or selling items on Amazon or eBay, and you're looking at basically seeing a positive return on your investment almost immediately, I think you should really recognize that for the gift and the wonderful thing that it is. The point I wanted to make, though, involves the different types of businesses that you can do online. I've already mentioned Shopify and eBay and Amazon. We also have to think about affiliate marketing, local lead generation, and local lead generation. I'll touch on that very quickly. And I want to say that's something that I've made a lot of money at over the years. It's something that you don't hear discussed very much anymore, and it's kind of interesting to me because it was very easy to do in the early 2000s, and then changes to Google's algorithm made things more difficult. And in the last couple of years, it's gotten quite a bit easier now, and I think it's an overlooked opportunity to make money and to do so long term. With a great degree of consistency and without a lot of effort. But I'm going to do other videos about local lead generation because I think it's really important. But anyway, just to kind of backtrack, we've got local lead generation, Shopify, affiliate marketing, Amazon, eBay, and I'm going to throw blogs in there as well, because most people that have a blog do attempt to monetize it at some point in time. And the point I want to make is, to be successful at any of these requires you to have the ability to run paid traffic to those sites. Either you're running it to your blog, you're running it to your affiliate site, you're running paid traffic to your Shopify store, eBay, Amazon, so on and so forth. Certainly Amazon and eBay to some degree offer the possibility of some organic traffic. But your organic traffic to Shopify and to lead generation sites is really somewhat limited. So at least in the early going. So I want you to understand that the most important thing, the most important skill you're going to have is your ability to run traffic, to manipulate traffic, to move traffic and direct it where you want it to go. All the other things that people talk about, whether it's all the little tricks and techniques and tactics that they use to get people to add things to a shopping cart, or to help them select products, or to help them write listings, those are all great. But they're all details. The major component in your success will be your ability to generate traffic for your site. That's it in a nutshell. That's the point I wanted to make. A lot of my videos talk about this and I try to say it in different ways because different people hear things differently. But it's a theme that I mention in virtually every video I make. Just the importance of knowing how to do paid traffic, which in these days that means Yahoo ads, Google ads, and generally Facebook and Instagram advertising. There's some other sources as well, but those are definitely the big four. And you know, you need to really learn all the tricks and all the skills involved in running ads to generate the huge success that I know all of you want. So I'm going to leave it there. I'm freezing. My ears are about to fall off. I'm going to just move aside for a second and see if the camera will refocus and let you see the snow here. For those of you that live in Florida or California, yeah, folks, this is what it looks like. It's not toxic waste or anything. It's actually quite healthy as long as you stay warm. But this is Todd James again. If you haven't done so already, please hit like and subscribe. Maybe go out and rent some skis, and I'll see you in the next video.